Some football news now. Round 14 of the Jamaica Premier League kicks off on Sunday with the playing of 5 matches. More in this report.
All eyes will be on the mouth-watering clash at Jarrett Park, where Montego Bay United will welcome Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant Football Academy. Montego Bay United are in second place on 26 points from their 13 games. Meanwhile, Mount Pleasant are dangerously poised in fourth place on 19 points from just 10 games. Jarrett Park is the temporary home for Montego Bay United after extensive damage was done to the Catherine Hall Sports Complex. The game is set to kick off at 3 p.m. Now, another 3 p.m. kickoff that should have fans on the edge of their seats will be the clash of the teams from the Sunshine City. Portmore United in third place will do battle with Dunbeholden FC, who occupies 9th place. Portmore's 24 points were gained from 13 games, while Dunbeholden have earned 13 points from 10 starts. The game will be played at the Ferdinita Park. Defending champions Cavalier FC will travel to the east to take on Harborview FC, who are unbeaten from their last 4 games. From their 12 games to date, Cavalier are sitting in 5th place on 19 points. Harborview, who had a shaky start to the season, are now steady under new coach Vassar Reynolds. They are in 8th place on 14 points. In the first game of a doubleheader at the Waterhouse Mini Stadium at 4 p.m., Cellar Dwellers Spanish Town Police will try to resist the attacks from Treasure Beach FC. The police team has registered just 1 win from 13 starts and will look to add to their 5 points so far. The Treasure Beach team has played the least number of games, just 9. They occupy 11th place with 12 points. Now, the feature game at 6:30 p.m. will see the home team Waterhouse FC welcoming the challenge of Moulins United. Waterhouse will be looking to rebound from the resignation of longtime coach Marcel Gale. They are in 6th place on 19 points. Moulins United are one of 4 teams locked on 12 points. They will be looking to improve on their 12th place on the league table. The competition continues on Monday with a doubleheader at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Tivoli Gardens will face Chapelton Maroons at 5 p.m. before home team Arnett Gardens tackles the league leaders Racing United at 7:30 p.m. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.